this video I'm gonna show you how to remove the door handle on a 2015 Chrysler 200. For that we're gonna need I believe it's a T20 start. I don't know if you can see it. There is a little hole where you can insert the start, and you just gotta make sure that to find the, there you go. So you find the little screw in there, and then you're gonna untie it. Until the back part, this right here, comes off easily. So like I say, you gotta untie it, and then let's see, it's not ready yet, so we gotta do a little bit more. I believe that's enough. No, not yet. And now it comes off. So what it is, there's a little mechanism. I don't know if you can see it, but if you tie it, that's what's moving. So that these little part right here, these moves when you untie it and releasing the little back part, which is this one here. So once this comes off, then you gotta pull this one, pull the handle a little bit like to the back, and then all you gotta do is like twist it and pull it off. Thank you very much for watching.